Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Murali Maths class. So today we'll learn applications of trigonometry, exercise 12.1. In that seventh problem we'll see, okay? Seventh one. So first read the problem. An electrician wants to repair an electric connection on a pole of height 9 meters. So one electrician is there. He want to repair electric connection on a pole of height 9 meters. So first we have to draw a pole of height 9 meters. So draw here. Let us draw here. This is the pole. Okay. This is the pole of height 9 meters. Of height 9 meters. Pole. Next, he needs to reach 1.8 meters below the top of the pole to do repair work. See here, he reached 1.8 meters below the top of the pole. From this top of the pole, he needs to reach 1.8 meters below this. So let us think that from here to here, it is 1.8 meters at this point. Okay. So from this top of the pole, he has to reach down 1.8 meters up to here. Now remaining this, how much will be there? Remaining this how much will be there? 7.2. From total is 9, no? Total 9. From the total 9, this is 1.8 and this will be 7.2. Okay. So total length is 9 meters. From here to here it is 1.8. From here to here it is 7.2 meters. That is the meaning of this. Next what they gave? Okay. What should be the length of the ladder? One ladder is there. Length of the ladder which he should use when he climbs it at an angle of 60 degrees with the ground. So one ground is there here. One ground is there like this. Ground. To the ground he is placing one ladder like this. This is the ladder. So to climb at this point he is keeping one ladder. This ladder angle is given here 60 degrees. So at what angle is placing the ladder? This ladder is placing at an angle of 60 degrees. Now he is asking, okay, what should be the length of the ladder? This ladder length we need to find out. And also here you see, what will be the distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole. This is foot of the ladder and this is foot of the pole. This distance also we need to find out. Okay. So let us give the name for this. A, B, C. ABC is a triangle. Now we will find out, we have to find two answers. See, observe here, solution. We have to find out distance between foot of the ladder to the foot of the pole. This is first one. So AB answer we need to find out. And the length of the ladder, see here, what should be the length of the ladder? So this also we need to find out. AC also we need to find out. AC, length of the ladder. AB, distance between foot of the ladder to the foot of the pole. So these two answers we need to find out now. So first we will find out length of the ladder. To find out length of the ladder, we have to apply some trigonometric ratio. This triangle you take now. A, B, C. Triangle A, B, C. ABC triangle if I take, what is the, here we have 60 degrees. 60 degrees adjacent side AB. 60 degrees opposite side BC. BC length how much we have? 7.2. And AC is hypotenuse. So we need hypotenuse length. That is nothing but length of ladder. So what I will do here is I will apply sine 60 degrees. I will apply sine 60 degrees. Sine formula is what? Opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite 60 degrees opposite side BC. How much we have? 7.2. 7.2 divided by hypotenuse AC. Okay. Sine 60, what is the answer? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Then that is equals to 7.2 by AC. Do cross multiplication. Do cross multiplication like this. So we will get AC into root 3 equals to 7.2 into 2. Then AC equals to 7.2 into 2. 7.2 into 2 you will get 14.4 divided by this root 3. Why? Because root 3 left hand side. If you take it on right hand side, it becomes division. Here multiplication, no? Right hand side becomes division. Next, denominator we have irrational number. So make it rational number by doing rationalization. That means 14.4 divided by root 3, multiply with the root 3 and divide with the root 3. This is the step you have to follow. Okay. Yes. Next one we will see now. What we will get? This is AC answer. AC equals to 14.4 into root 3. So 14.4 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3. Root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square. Then cancel like this. Square root square you cancel. We will get 14.4 into root 3. Okay, into root 3 divided by 3. Now cancel this one. 3 ones. Here 14 means how many times? We can cancel 3 4s 12. Decimal point. 12 remaining 2 will be there. 24. 24 means 8 times. 3 8s are 24. So what we will get now? We will get 4.8 into root 3. That is 4.8 into root 3 answer 1.732. So both we have to multiply 4.8 into 1.732. So if I multiply this both, we will get the answer as 8.3136 meters. 8.316 meters. So this is AC answer. AC answer we got. What is that AC answer? Therefore, AC means what? AC. AC means length of ladder. Length of ladder. How much we got? Equals to 8.3136 meters. So length of ladder we got. AC answer we got. Next what we have to get? AB answer. So this answer we have to get AB answer. Okay. Yes. So for that also we have to apply some trigonometric ratio. Now we will apply same triangle. You take triangle ABC. Take tan 60. We will apply tan 60. Tan 60 if I apply, what is the formula? Opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite is what? 60 opposite 7.2. So 7.2. Adjacent means what? AB. AB means what? Distance between foot of the ladder to the foot of the pole. That only we want the answer now. Tan 60, what is the answer? Tan 60 answer is root 3 equals to 7.2 by AB. Now this AB take it here. Root 3 take it here. This is nothing but cross multiplication. Okay. So AB will get answer as AB answer is 7.2 by root 3. Again denominator we have irrational number, make it rational number. So what we have to do now, that is equals to 7.2 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3. So we are doing rationalization like this here. Here I did no. So like this same we are doing here rationalization. Okay. Now we will apply. So what will get 7.2 into root 3 divided by root 3 whole square. Okay. So if it is whole square means we can cancel square root, square you can cancel. Remaining what will get 7.2 into root 3 means what, 1.732 divided by 3. Yes. Next. Multiply here 7.2 into 1.732, both you multiply. 7.2 into 1.732, both you multiply. The answer will be 12.4704 divided by 3 as it is to write. Now this one if you simplify, the answer will be 4.1568 meters. This is what AB answer. Okay. So therefore distance between foot of ladder and foot of pole is 4.1568 meters. That's it. 8.3136 meters is length of ladder. 4.1568 is distance between foot of the ladder to the foot of the pole. Okay, that's it. Thank you.